Hey friends, some of us were having trouble measuring with our body parts, so I thought I'd demonstrate today. So today we're measuring with centimeters. If you have measuring tools at home, you're welcome to use those. But if you don't have a meter stick at home, you can use your pinky. Your pinky finger, not how tall it is, how wide it is about 1 centimeter. So I'm going to show you how I can measure three objects: a 1 centimeter object, a 5 centimeter object, and a 10 centimeter object using my pinky, because that's what you're going to do. So you're going to look around your home and you're going to find some objects. Start with objects you think are about 1 centimeter. I found a straw. Now I think this straw is about 1 centimeter. So I'm going to take my pinky, hold it up to it. Yep, my pinky is about the width of a straw. So in that document, I recorded straw in the 1 centimeter table. Then, after you've found three 1 centimeter objects, your job is to find three 5 centimeter objects. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. They don't have to be exactly 5 centimeters, but about 5 centimeters. So I found this little cutie in my fruit bowl, and I think it's about 5 centimeters. So I'm going to take my pinky finger, remember the width of my pinky, and I see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I put my pinky along, it's about 5 of my pinky. So this cutie is about 5 centimeters. Your next job is to find a 10 centimeter object. So I found this coffee mug, and I think that this coffee mug is going to be about 10 centimeters. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my pinky finger. It's kind of hard to see with this glare. I want to make sure I start at the edge. I don't want to start measuring right here because then I missed all of this part. So I'm going to start at the edge. Got 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 10 centimeters. So I just moved my pinky one pinky width each time to find an object with 10 centimeters. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be 9, 10, 11, that's okay. But I just want you to practice measuring and understand about how long an object that's 1 centimeter, 5 centimeters, and 10 centimeters is. Have fun!